Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Databricks for Lakehouse Data Engineering, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Databricks for Lakehouse Data Engineering, first, navigate to the Databricks website. Look for the Sign Up button, usually located at the top right of the homepage. Click on the Sign Up button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to provide your email address. Enter a valid email address that you have access to. Next, you will need to create a password. Ensure that your password meets the security requirements outlined on the page. After entering your email and password, click the Get Started button. You may receive a verification email at the address you provided. Check your email inbox for the verification message from Databricks. Open the email and click on the verification link included in the message. Once verified, you will be redirected to the Databricks registration page. Here, you will need to fill out additional information such as your full name and company details. Make sure to provide accurate information to facilitate account setup. After completing the form, agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Click the Create Account button to finalize your registration. You may be prompted to select a workspace for your Lakehouse environment. Choose a workspace that suits your data engineering needs. Upon successful setup, you're ready to log into your Databricks account. Enter your credentials on the login page to access your account. Once logged in, explore the Databricks platform and familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Start by creating a new Lakehouse project or explore existing resources. Utilize the tutorials and documentation available in the Databricks Resources section. This will help you gain deeper insights into Lakehouse data engineering practices. You are now equipped to utilize Databricks for your data engineering projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.